The Court and Parties page. Normally, you will only have to fill in the Court and Parties page once, when you first set up a case and begin to enter information about the case. On the Court and Parties page, you can move from blank to blank using the Tab key on your keyboard. The Tab key is usually found just above the Caps Lock key on the left side of your keyboard. The Court and Parties page has the information needed to prepare what is called the caption, or the information found at the top of the first page of each document filed in the courthouse file. The court name item is the first line found at the top of each pleading in a divorce or child support case, and is simply the designation of the court which has the authority to determine child support questions for the case. It may be presented in all uppercase letters or not. Just follow the same style used on the court papers. You can always change it later if you need to. The Court Name To item may be a designation of where the court is located, or which branch of the court is involved, or it may not be used at all. If you are unsure, call the courthouse and ask the clerk of the court. Caption line 1 is the first line of the title of the case, usually something like, "In the matter of," or "In the matter of the marriage of." The petitioner name is simply the first name shown on the case title. It is always the name of the person who started the case in the court. It does not change. Even if you are the person seeking a ruling on child support, you are only the petitioner if you initiated the divorce process by filing a petition for divorce, making you the petitioner. Respondent name is the name of the other party, the party who responded to the divorce petition. Case number is the official number assigned to the case by the clerk of the court when the original petition was filed. Get this number from the divorce pleadings already filed in the case. Division or courtroom is used as a part of the caption, so the clerk will get the papers filed in the right case file or folder. If there is more than one judge, more than one division, or more than one courtroom used to hear cases. Worksheet to be filed by designates what person or officer will be filing the worksheet with the clerk. Normally, the designation will be the parent designator, mother or father, who is preparing the worksheet to present to the court, but it could also be prepared for the judge, in other words, the court, or other court officer, such as trustee, if you are preparing a worksheet which you are asking them to adopt. Worksheet prepared by could be the parent designator, mother or father, or the party designator, petitioner or respondent. Effective date for calculations. Normally the date the child support worksheet is prepared is the effective date used because it reflects the current ages of the child or children. The program knows what the current date is, so simply use today, which is the default, as the appropriate choice. Sometimes, however, you may want to show what the child support would have been at an earlier stage in a child's life, or what it will be at some point in the future, for example, when the oldest child of the family has graduated and gone off to college. So you will want to use the alternate date option for the effective date, either at a date in the past or a date in the future. If you select alternate date, the program will open a window for you to type in the date to be used instead of today. The program will also display a box at the end of the alternate date blank, which is a calendar for you to use to select the date. Well, that's all there is to filling out the Court and Parties page. As I said earlier, you probably won't have to change anything in this page in the future. Next, you should review the tutorial for the Children's page. Thanks for listening.